Most traders loses money because they are guessing, but why the market is volatile? The price of BNB is not the same on every crypto exchange. Today, I'll be showing you how I spot the gap in different crypto exchange, and right on this update, in two different exchange, I will show you how to buy low on exchange A and show you how you can be selling high on exchange B. And the pair we are going to be using right on this particular arbitrage opportunity is going to be BNB. So prepare yourself and let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial. But if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that you not miss out my future updates on crypto arbitrage. So guys, without any further ado, let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial. But remember, this is not a financial advice. We know crypto is highly risky and only the risk taker makes profit right in the crypto space. For this update, we are going to be needing two exchange, and the number one exchange, that is MEXC exchange, and the number two exchange, that is gate.io. You can use the link right on this video description to create an account for yourself on any of these exchange or on both of these exchange in case you don't have any of them or the both of them yet. If you can see right here from my screen, you are going to be seeing from here, you can see there's a difference and there's a gap between the price of BNB on these two exchange. Yes, that is what we are focusing on right on this update. We are going to be taking advantage of the price differences from these two exchanges. And the first thing you are going to do after creating an account on these two exchange is for you to locate the coin we want to be using for this exchange. And we are going for BNB, like I said. So for you to locate your BNB, just come right here to where it says market or trade. Once you click on your market or trade, then locate your BNB right here. Once you locate your BNB on the exchange one, you are going to be seeing on exchange one, which is the MEXC, the price of BNB right on this particular exchange is trading at this price you can see right here. That is $866.27. You know, the price of any crypto is never static. The price is going to be changing in between. That is why your speed matter. When you are carrying out this particular arbitrage, you need to be time conscious. And we are going to be trading on market order so that we are going to be able to execute the trade very, very fast. Okay, so once we have checked out the price of the particular asset you are going to be trading on, the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to go to the exchange 2. And right on exchange 2, which is gate.io, what you are going to be doing on your gate.io is the exact thing you did on your MEXC. And on gate.io, you are going to be checking on BNB as well. When checking on gate.io, we are going to be comparing the price of the BNB on MEXC, which is the exchange 1, and you are going to be comparing it with the exchange 2, which is the gate.io. Now, based on my experience on this particular arbitrage, the price on MEXC is always lesser than the price on gate.io, but at times it can be vice versa. At times the price on MEXC can be a bit lesser than the price on gate.io, and at times the price on gate.io can be a bit higher than the price on MEXC. But in most cases, the price on gate.io is always lesser than the price on MEXC. And when you are carrying out this arbitrage, I will advise you always buy from MEXC because the price in most cases is always lesser than the price on gate.io. So when you are carrying out an arbitrage like this, your calculator must always be by your side. You must always do your proper verification to see if you are going to be making profit at that particular time or not before you jump on the arbitrage. So these are the necessary precautions you need to be aware of before you start this arbitrage, because I will not be responsible for any profit or loss you incur while carrying out this arbitrage. So once you have determined this particular precaution I've given to you, the next thing you are going to do is for you to proceed to purchase your BNB using the market order. The first thing you are going to do, you will go straight down to MEXC to purchase your BNB. If you come right here right now to your MEXC, you are going to be seeing the price is always fluctuating. The price will never be static. So once you see you are having some, let's say about 0.3, 0.5 difference on any of these particular exchange, then you can decide to buy it low. And again, you go and check the second exchange to see if the price there is actually higher than the price you are buying from the exchange A. Once you can see there's a gap in between the price, then you are good to go. That is exactly what I'm doing right on this update. So after you have decided you are buying at that particular time, the minimum amount you can use to carry out this arbitrage for you to get some profit is 100 USDT. If you are doing it lesser than $100, I don't guarantee you making any profit. And even right now, even when you are doing it with 100 USDT, I'm not guaranteeing you that you are going to be making profit. This is just for educational purpose. Most of all these arbitrage prices can change in between, even when you are carrying out your transaction. That is why I said you must be very, very fast. Okay, so once you have decided you are going for $100 or above $100, and the next thing you are going to do is for you to go to your exchange B. That is the exchange you are going to be sending the fund you bought from exchange A, which is MEXC. Once you copy the address, you are going to be sending the BNB down to your exchange B, where you are going to be sending it at a higher price. If you can see right here, I will go to where it says withdraw. Once you click on this area that says withdraw, you are going to paste the address right here and make sure you are going for BSC network. If you are going for BSC network, it will save you from unnecessary gas fee. You are going to be paying $0 for gas fee, which is going to increase your chances of making profit. As you can see right here, this is what you are going to be doing. A exact process, that is what I have shown you right here. So once you have sent your fund to exchange B to sell it at a higher price, the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to go for market order or limit order. Once you set your fund and you see you are not in a profit by any chances, make sure you don't sell at a loss, because in between your transaction, the price could change in between. What you just have to do is for you to be a little bit patient, right? Once you are a little bit patient, then the price is going to be positive again, and you can now sell and take your profit. Now you can decide to sell on limit order or you sell at market order. If you see immediately you are in a profit, you can quickly sell at market order. But if you see you are not in a profit yet, you can set it at limit order and you input the price you want to be selling your coin and you can take your profit. Now, after you have executed your first trade and it is profitable, you can decide to repeat this whole process over and over again. Depends on the market. If the market is actually favorable, you can be doing it multiple times in a day. At times you might be able to do it 3 times in a day, 2 times in a day, and at times it can just be just once in the day you'll be able to carry out this arbitrage. This is what I have for you right on this update. If you think this video has made sense to you in one way or the other, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell. You can also join all our social media platforms. The link is going to be right on this video description. And if you think you want to get my Video Millionaire course that consists of A to Z on how to get started in the crypto space, on this course is a beginner tutorial friendly course. You can be learning how to trade your future trading, your spot trading, your arbitrage trading, how to locate local crypto coin, and so on and so forth. This course is going for as low as $10. So you can take this opportunity to get this course right now just by messaging me. I'll be there to respond to you. You can see this my video right here, or see this one right here to learn more way to make money right in the crypto space. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.